Hi, it's Brian, and today we're joined again by the Honey Bunnies. Say hello.
Hello!
And today we wanted to introduce you to what we affectionately call La Negra Chula. That is our van / RV. And what does La Negra Chula mean?
Black Beauty.
In what language?
Spanish.
Spanish. So now, one of the reasons we're introducing you to La Negra Chula is so many of the solutions, so many of the experiences we've had in that has helped us to be better prepared. Living, traveling, having fun out of this vehicle has allowed us to try so many of the recommendations and feel some of those experiences. Let me give you a few examples. Ladies, what are some of the things that we do in La Negra Chula?
Cook.
We cook.
Eat.
We then eat. What else we do?
We use the bathroom.
We use the bathroom.
And we sleep.
And we sleep. We also shower. And so all of the things that come with that. How do you pack? How do you travel with food? What energy source are you going to use for cooking? How do you moderate temperature? And since this was not an RV that was built from the factory, we've applied the solutions that we thought of, and those same solutions transfer, whether it be for our fun or if we should need it for an emergency situation. So again, if you have any additional questions, but we thought it might be nice for you to get a little peek inside of our world and how we've actually truly field tested so many of the things that we bring to you. Girls, how is La Negra? Is it boring?
It's
boring?
fun.
It's fun? Okay. So, and what do you think? You didn't say anything.
I think it's epic.
Epic. Okay. So, hey, if you have any questions regarding this or anything and connecting the dots of how we've taken our life experiences and are bringing them to you and sharing as part of BePreparedSolutions.co, feel free to send us that email. We hope that you go to the website. We hope that the emergency alert system is helpful for you, our planning tools, the emergency kits that we've put together for a myriad of situations, scenarios, durations, family sizes, as well as our advisory service that you can book a session and talk directly with us about something that you have specifically. Again, so ladies, what do we say to them? Again, we say,
Thank you.
we hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.